York. Steamboat.
This is Greenwich.
Is it really hot? So we're walking the streets of New York to the memorial of 9/11.
Almost on the anniversary.
Almost on the anniversary of the memorial. Today's the 6th. So we are walking towards the 9/11 memorial. And this, I'm gonna take it this way. But this is the memorial for the fallen firefighters, first responders. Wow. Did that kid just say what's 9/11? Dedicated to those who fell, carry on, and we never forget. Amen. Thank you guys. Lost but never forgotten, guys. So where's it at?
So you figure there were the 2 scrapers, and then there were several of the buildings that had
Around
come down to number 7, number 5, third line.
Here you go. So here's here, South
So
Pole.
that's one. That's another one.
There's a 3rd Trade Center?
Well, no, those are the buildings right here that they're showing. But
Oh.
there was this, like I said, there was buildings. So that was World Trade Center number 2.
7 World Trade
And
Center.
then this, I think this is where 1 was. 1 World Trade Center was here. So they only rebuilt 1. So they were, look at how big the city blocks.
Jeez.
And then they had 7, 4, 3, there was 5. Somewhere 5 was here. But all of that had to come down and all had to be rebuilt.
Wow. On the anniversary, huh? We're almost here on the anniversary.
So yeah, this was all covered up by huge, you could kind of see through it.
Yeah.
And you could just see the giant holes in there. Because you got to realize the trade centers were like 10 stories below. because they had parking, they had shops, they had, like, it was like a little city.
They built that building after.
Incredible.
Yeah. Cool.